In this video I will show you how to build your Unity game for Android and deploy it on your own device. The first thing we need is to make sure the Android SDK is installed. So let's install the latest version of Unity. Check the Android build support module with the Android SDK and open JDK. After Unity is installed, let's create a new project. Let's add a cube and make him spin forever. After that, open File Build Settings. Let's go through the player settings. So add your company name and the name of the product. For the package name, find a unique identifier. Select Android and then click on Switch Platform. Be sure to add the scenes that you want to deploy. Then press Build to compile your APK. Your game is now available as an Android APK and you can test it on your device. Give it to your friends or upload it to the Google Play Store. Awesome! But how to save time if you don't want to copy this Android APK to your phone every time you want to test your game? For that, open your mobile phone settings and search for USB debugging. Enable it and make sure to say always allow from this computer. After that, hit refresh in Unity's build settings. The one device list should now list your mobile phone. Smash build and run and your game is directly sent to your Android phone. You just saved hours of debugging time in your upcoming game developer career. Bam! That's awesome! Alright guys, that's it for deploying a Unity game to an Android device. If you have any questions, please add them to the comments. I hope you liked the video and it was useful. Don't forget to subscribe to not miss the next video, and if you want to support the development of my games and of this channel, then use my Patreon. This would really be helpful. Thanks for watching and see you soon on this channel.